Ah, smack your bald head ass, bitch ass nigga. So my Marlon Wayans was trying to defend me. Man, shut the fuck up, man. Fuck Marlon Wayans, man. Fuck Bad Baby, man. Fuck Blueface, man. Fuck all these broke ass, peon ass niggas, man. I'm tired of these niggas, man. Suck my fucking dick, man. God damn. Every day these Soulja this, Soulja that. Nigga, fuck Trump. Nigga, fuck everybody, nigga. Fuck everything, nigga. The fuck? I bet the nigga won't fight me, nigga. I'll beat your motherfucking ass, nigga. I bet you none of these folks don't want to fight, though. Nigga don't want to shoot, though. Nigga don't want to do nothing. Nigga don't want to get on the internet and talk, nigga. Stop talking all the time, nigga. Get in the streets, nigga. Do some sliding, nigga. Pussy ass, nigga. Fuck your dead partners, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? What a nigga gotta do to get you niggas got, nigga? I'm tired of talking to you pussy niggas, nigga. Get in the streets, nigga, and do something, nigga. Fuck your dead homie, nigga. The fuck? Fuck your mama, nigga.